Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 20 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. I'm so sorry, that was obviously a misclick. So let's tap on the digital well-being, and in order to check the information, just tap on show your data at the very top. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the section in which we can see this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today and how much time we've spent on particular apps. So as you can see, most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the count. We can count the unlocks and the notifications we received. After tapping on this graph, you will be transferred to, let's say, more detailed one. So you can check how much minutes you've spent on particular time. So I've been using the settings for 12 minutes and for example, Play Store less than 1 minute. Here you can check weekly graphs if you want to. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and time opened. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to check. As you can see under it, we've got the ways to disconnect. So if you need the time for yourself, for example, to learn or to sleep, you can set the bedtime mode, dashboard, or focus mode. So for example, after tapping on the focus mode, you can show all 25 apps, and here you can mark all of those which you'd like to limit the notifications you received normally. So it will for sure help you to focus more than normally. And under it, you've got also the reduce interruptions. So from this level, you can enter the notifications and you can manage them, or you can set do not disturb mode. So actually, this is it. This is how to check this total screen time in your MOTOROLA Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.